Welcome. How can I help you today?
I want to buy a new SIM card.
Sure. Do you want a new phone number?
Yes, I need a new number.
No problem. We have several SIM plans.
I mostly use the internet on my phone.
Then a data plan will be good for you.
How much data does this plan have?
This plan gives you 10 gigabytes of internet.
That sounds good. What is the price?
It costs $10 for the first month.
That seems reasonable.
It also includes some free call minutes.
That is nice because I sometimes make calls.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I brought my ID card.
Great. I need it to register the SIM card.
Here it is.
Thank you. I will enter your details in the system.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes.
That is quick.
Here is your new SIM card.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your phone will work soon. Welcome. How can I help you today?
I want to buy this jacket.
Sure. Let me check the price for you.
Thank you. I really like this jacket.
It looks very nice. The color suits you.
Yes, I like the color and the design.
Did you try the size?
Yes, the size feels perfect.
That is great. I will scan the price tag now.
Okay,
The price of this jacket is $40.
that sounds reasonable.
The material is also very good quality.
Yes, it feels strong and comfortable.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my card.
Please insert your card in the machine.
Okay, I did it.
The payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt and your jacket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. This neighborhood looks new to me.
Yes, I have never been here before.
The streets are very clean.
And the houses look modern.
I like the trees along the road.
The area feels calm and peaceful.
I see a small park ahead.
That park looks beautiful.
Many people are walking there.
Families and children are enjoying the day.
This place feels friendly.
Yes, it looks like a nice community.
I wonder if there are shops nearby.
I see a grocery store on that corner.
That is very convenient.
People living here can buy things easily.
I also see a cafe across the street.
That would be a nice place to relax.
Exploring new neighborhoods is interesting.
Yes, we can learn about new places.
Maybe we should walk around more.
That sounds like a good idea.
We might discover more places.
New places always bring new experiences.
I'm glad we came here today. This market has many useful items.
Yes, I see many household products.
I need to buy a broom.
The brooms are on that shelf.
There are many different sizes.
Choose one that feels strong.
This one looks durable.
That is a good choice.
I also need dish soap.
The cleaning products are in the next aisle.
I see dish soap and sponges there.
Sponges are very useful for washing dishes.
I will take a pack of sponges too.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe a small bucket.
Buckets are on the lower shelf.
Yes, I see them.
Keeping a house clean is important.
A clean house feels comfortable.
I agree with that.
I think I found everything I need.
Then we can go to the cashier.
The prices here look reasonable.
That makes shopping easier.
I am happy with what I bought.
Excuse me,
Yes?
may I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
I have been standing for a long time.
Yes, the bus is very crowded today.
My legs are getting tired.
I understand. Long bus rides can be tiring.
Would it be possible for me to sit for a while?
Oh, I see.
I hope I am not bothering you.
No, not at all. Please take my seat.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That is very kind of you.
It is no problem.
I really appreciate it.
I'm happy to help.
The bus is very crowded today.
Yes, many people are traveling today.
The seat is very comfortable.
I'm glad it helps.
Thank you again for your kindness.
You're welcome.
Kind people make the day better.
I agree with you. Excuse me, I want to book a travel ticket.
Sure, where do you want to travel?
I want to visit another city.
That sounds nice. Which city do you want to go to?
I want to go to New York.
Okay, when do you want to travel?
I prefer to travel tomorrow morning.
Let me check the schedule on the computer.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, there are seats available tomorrow morning.
That is great.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat.
A window seat is available.
Perfect. I like looking outside during the trip.
The train leaves at 8 in the morning.
That time works well for me.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Jackson.
Thank you. I will enter your details.
Do I need to show my ID?
Yes, please show your ID.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your ticket is ready now.
Great. I'm excited about this trip. Good morning, doctor. I came for a health checkup.
Good morning. That is a very good decision.
I want to make sure I am healthy.
Regular checkups help us stay healthy.
I sometimes feel a little tired.
I see. I will ask you a few questions.
Sure.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, but sometimes I sleep late.
Try to sleep earlier if possible.
I will try.
Now I will check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Please relax your arm.
Like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
Is everything okay?
Your blood pressure looks normal.
That is good to hear.
Now I will check your heartbeat.
All right.
Your heartbeat sounds healthy.
I'm glad to hear that.
Try to eat healthy food and exercise regularly.
I will follow your advice.
That will help you stay strong and healthy. Excuse me, I would like to ask about school admission.
Welcome. I can help you with that.
Thank you. This school looks very nice.
Yes, it is a good place to study.
I want to apply for admission.
Sure. Which class are you applying for?
I want to apply for the next school year.
All right. First, you need to fill out an admission form.
Okay, I can do that.
You also need to submit some documents.
What documents do I need?
Your previous school records and your ID.
I have those documents with me.
That is great.
When will the admission results come out?
The results will be announced next month.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I hope I can study here.
I wish you the best of luck. I need help with this document.
What seems to be the problem?
I'm not sure how to fill out this form.
Office forms can be confusing.
I do not want to make a mistake.
Asking for help is a good idea.
I see a staff member at the desk.
They look friendly.
I will ask politely.
That is always the best way.
Excuse me, could you help me with this form?
The staff member is explaining the steps.
Now it is becoming clearer.
Sometimes instructions are simple.
I just needed a little guidance.
That happens to many people.
I am filling the form now.
Take your time and check carefully.
I think I finished it correctly.
That is great.
Thank you for helping me today.
Good communication solves problems.
I feel more confident now.
Asking questions is always helpful.
I will remember that. I want to apply for a job here.
That sounds like a good opportunity.
I saw the job advertisement yesterday.
What kind of job is it?
It is an office assistant position.
That sounds interesting.
I prepared my resume last night.
Good preparation is very important.
I feel a little nervous.
That is normal when applying for a job.
I hope the manager likes my application.
Just stay confident.
Confidence makes a good impression.
Did you bring all your documents?
Yes, everything is in this folder.
That is very organized.
I will submit the application at the desk.
The manager will review it.
I hope they call me for an interview.
I believe you will do well.
Thank you for your support.
Friends should encourage each other.
I will do my best.
Hard work always brings good results.
I feel more confident now.